Welcome WVP stars. So now I'm Chef Marius Bosmans from restaurant Cum Laude. We're located in Leuven and we do a gastronomic restaurant with influences around the world. The base is a little bit of Belgian cuisine and French cuisine. So this time we make the takeaway menu for people to make at home. So yeah, it's a little bit different than in the restaurant, so because it has to be possible for people to do it at home, of course. So I'm gonna plate some dishes for you. So at first we have here mackerel. We marinated the mackerel in the Sakura flowers. So we first make the pickle of Sakura flowers and some shallots like vinaigrette, but we pickled it in the Sakura with the vinaigrette, and we use the vinaigrette also as sauce. So at first I'm gonna put the mackerel in the middle of the plate. So it's the mackerel is so marinated, then churned with over fire, then cut and rolled up in radish. So we are making a bit of textures of radish and to accompany the mackerel. So at first we're gonna use the same pickle we pickled the mackerel in, because the mackerel needs a little bit of a marinade. So we're just gonna scoop it over our fish. You can do it rich, a lot, like 2 spoons. So it's divided good. So I'm gonna put it in the whole plate, so it's a little bit everywhere. Then I'm gonna take, this is an oil we made from the shoots from daikon. Daikon actually is the shoots from radish, so it's really fresh and a little bit spicy also. So I'm gonna just put some drops in the plate and on top of the dish. Then here we have a mayonnaise, a cream, actually as the base is mayonnaise, but without egg yolk. Made from a miso we made with the flowers of Sakura. And we're gonna just put some on top of on the fish and the radish. Just some dots. A little bit everywhere. Small ones, big ones, but it can be a lot. You can put some, so it's nice to. And at the last, as garnish, we have some radish shoots, just to put some green in it. So that's finished. So this is the first course. We're gonna put this aside. We take the main course. So we put everything in the oven. The warm components we put in the oven like 5 minutes at 200 degrees, just to make it hot, because it's already pre-cooked for people, so they don't have to worry about it. So the meat, it's veal ribeye. I'm gonna put it on a cloth so it can, so it's clean on the plate, because otherwise, if you just put it like with the olive oil and such on top, so just make sure it's clean. I'm gonna put the meat already on the plate. Then we have a cream made from cauliflower. So this is also cauliflower, and these are the bits we have over from the cauliflower. So at first I'm gonna put some of the cauliflower cream. We mixed a bit of paste of pinda, of peanuts, together with the cream. And then the peanuts we roasted, salted and caramelized on top of the cauliflower, a little bit of everywhere, and then the cauliflower to accompany. the peanut. Okay, then take a little spatula. We're gonna put this next to the veal. Like this. Then we have the juice. I'm gonna put it already in the sauce container, so you can scoop. You can put it on the table, of course. And then I'm gonna use this cream again. Voila. Then we have a cream of dille. I'm gonna put it here. A little bit on top of the cauliflower. Some dots. And we made oil out of the herb as well. I'm gonna put it in the middle of the plate. And then some herbs, so the fresh herbs. Voila, that's the main course. So like this, and then the juice in the middle and on top of the veal. Voila. Enjoy. I'm gonna put this aside also. So last but not least, the dessert. So for this we used rhubarb. It's getting just in season. So we made a crémeux of butter and rhubarb and honey. So it's actually rhubarb, honey and rose. So we made a mousse of rhubarb and rose, and then we coated it in rhubarb and some chips of rhubarb and honey. So you take the dessert and you put it in the middle of the plate, gently. And then we're gonna put the chips right next to it. You can be generous with the chips, huh? Voila. This is the dessert. It's finished. So, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you soon. Thank you.